What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. If y'all can tell by the title, this video is going to be a clean with me. My house is not really out of control, but you will see that there is some things that's out of place, some things that should have been put away, some things that should have been done. Me and my daughter have been sleeping on the couch. I just feel like it's probably more convenient. I've been dealing with a titty infection for like the last 2 weeks. So I had some mastitis. If you don't know what that is, I'm a breastfeeding mom, and pretty much what mastitis is why can't I talk? Pretty much what mastitis is it's a clogged milk duct in the breast that becomes infected, and mine's developed an abscess. So I actually have to go to a breast surgeon on next week to get that properly taken care of or whatever. But for the most part, I feel like it's been more convenient for us to sleep in the living room. So there's been a bunch of junk accumulating in the living room. I actually got started with the cleaning process of the living room, so it's not too much for me to do. The clothes need to be dealt with, you know how that goes. So just follow along with me. We're gonna do a realistic clean, and I'm gonna say a realistic clean because I already know that my baby has been asleep all morning long. So with that being said, I already know she's gonna be waking up soon, so we're gonna see how that goes. So let's get started.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, it's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you cursed his name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what it justice, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what it justice, put it in the song, alright. I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, you too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, put you on a plane, take you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone, when you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice, poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn, you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex, your natural hair and your soft skin and your big ass and that sundress. Ooh, good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They say communication save relations, I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write them down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what it justice, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what it justice, put it in the song, alright.
Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. Floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fucking right. Body rude is unpolite. Done be in a humble life. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. All the hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. Ladies is pimps tonight, living inside a dream. I slay where the love is like. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. I'm so deep in my bag, like a grandma with a peppermint. They say, oh, she smell good. That's just cause I'm represent. Sex game goes stupid, stepping like a toothpick. Man, I tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant. But I know you think I'm fine. I'd be too fine to hit it from behind. Reflection in the mirror, don't decline. I can't even lie. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good.
Hey y'all, so as y'all can tell, I look completely different. I got on this shirt because I'm about to go pick my son up, but I'm keeping my bonnet on because I don't feel like doing anything to my hair, and plus I'm not getting out the car. Let me turn my TV down some, hold on. But yeah, so I'm about to go pick my son up and I got my bonnet on because I'm not getting out the car, so please don't come for me. I know leaving out the house with a bonnet on is controversial. To me, it is too, if I'm going to be out and about, like walking around outside and stuff like that. Because one, I feel like that's nasty because I wear my bonnet. I have like fat bonnets, so I can just switch it up or whatever. But like, if I come from outside and come in my house and lay on my bed or couch or whatever and I have my bonnet on, I feel like that's nasty. That's just like, excuse me. That's just like coming in the house and laying on your bed with your outside clothes. I'm just like that. I'm just that type of person, you know. So yeah, but I'm not getting out the car. I'm just going to go pick him up from his practice and we're coming back home. But as you guys can see, like it's a completely different day. I forgot to close out the video the other day. So pretty much what I did was I just finished straightening up, washing clothes or whatever like that. My room wasn't completely dirty or anything like that. It just needed to be straightened up. I just took the sheets and blankets off my bed and I washed those. And I took the sheets and blankets off my son's bed, washed those. The only thing I have left to do is just put away the clothes, which I'm about to do right now. That's my baby clothes. And this is me and my son clothes. So, I just need to go. I need to put those up, and then I will be completely done. Like, the house will be completely clean. The kitchen's clean, living room clean, the rooms are clean, bathrooms are clean, clothes are washed. I just gotta wash one more load, honestly, and I just got to get my son. I just got to get my son's blankets and stuff out of the washer and make his bed, and we're good to go. But I'm just closing out this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Let me get her a pacifier. Hold on. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe. Like, join the family, join the party. You know, I always try to make it a good time. You know, even if you don't stay for a long time, just stay for a good time. You know, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. The next video, I want to just show y'all like the finished product, the finished clean home, like everything put together. I mean, all the beds are made, everything put up, everything out the way. I just want to show y'all my clean home. So I guess that'll be like considered an apartment tour or whatever. Let me know if you guys want to see that. If not, you know, just let me know that you guys don't want to see that, and let me know what videos you guys would like to see. But thank you so much for tuning in. Like I said, stay tuned to the next video, and goodbye.